Bring it back.
Hey Panthers, welcome back to the WPNN. My name is Elena.
Hi, my name is Zoe. It's a beautiful day to be a Panther.
Panthers, any student and or teacher interested in participating in a Puerto Rican Day Parade? It's this Saturday, September 23rd. If you're interested in helping, please contact Ms. Velez.
Send her an email or stop by her classroom, room 5204, to sign up and share your ideas. Let's join the STEP team and bring a piece of heritage to the Palm Bay streets, celebrating with our Puerto Rican neighbors.
Students, the meeting for the Future Business Leaders of America will be held on the third Wednesday of every month after school in room 5106.
The FBLA Google Classroom code is SDAZFKF.
Students, are you ready to pick your choice for the 2023-24 Homecoming King and Queen? Voting will start tomorrow. Voting links will be sent to all teachers to post in the Google Classroom Thursday morning.
There will also be QR codes posted around campus that will take you directly to the voting links for choosing our homecoming king or queen.
Speaking of homecoming, 2023 Homecoming Dance is this Saturday night from 6 to 10 p.m. here at Heritage. I heard that someone they say just dying to dance.
Tickets are being sold on campus and will continue until this Friday the 22nd or until sold out.
Boys, are you interested in wrestling? If you're interested in being a Panther wrestler, there will be a wrestling meeting with Coach Degginger in room 5203 tomorrow afternoon immediately after school.
We are halfway through Spirit Week and yesterday's Anything But a Backpack Day was so much fun to see and experience.
Today is Bobby vs. Cannon. It's the best day ever! Tomorrow is Barbecue Dad vs. Soccer Mom, and Friday is Class Color Day.
A reminder, the class colors are: freshmen are white, sophomores are gray, juniors are blue, and seniors are black.
A very important message for students that drive to school. The deadline to purchase a parking pass is September 29th. That's 1 week from this Friday. After the date, all students parking on campus without a parking pass will receive a citation and a discipline referral.
To purchase your parking pass, bring your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, and $20 to Ms. Santiago in the dean's office anytime after first period.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!